what's going on, you guys? Desmond here, back with another video. And today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a oil catch can on your Sonata. So I have a 2018 2.4 liter Sonata, and yeah, I just wanted to install this, and I already installed it, but I wanted to show you guys how I did it. Yeah, let's just get right to it. First, the catch can is just an Amazon special. Maybe $30. I'll drop a description or a link in the description. So far it's worked pretty good. I did make a video of me draining it. I'll leave a little card up there for you. You can watch that if you want to. But yeah, so what you're gonna need is the catch can, obviously, and then some scrubbing pads. Not steel wool, because the steel could rust and corrode and kind of break off. So you want to get the copper ones. These were about $3 at Walmart. But the first thing you want to do is open this up. You don't want to get the steel wool with the soap either. I've seen videos where people are putting these in the catch can, but the ones with soap. You don't want to do that. But you want to take this apart. Just comes right off like that. And just want to unroll it. You want to unroll it because I'm not sure if you saw that, but there's little pieces kind of falling out. You just want to shake it out, make sure there's nothing else coming out here. And actually we're going to cut a little piece. There's more stuff coming off. So you definitely want to check that out. I'm just going to cut a little bit. And again, since you cut it, there's going to be all type of little pieces everywhere. There we go. Cut it, and then you just want to put it in the can. You don't have to pack it in there tight. Just like that. And then, once you get it, this little kind of filter or little catch plug or whatever you want to call it, I'm not sure what it's called. You want to put the piece you cut in here. And it still might be a little too much, so I'm going to cut this a little more. And what this is for the oil to kind of hit the wire mesh, the copper, to cool off, condense. That's why you're putting that on there. And same thing, you don't want to like stuff it in there. Just gonna cut some more of that. And again, just shake it, get all the loose pieces off. And right there. Then you're gonna put the little top on there. Hopefully you guys can see that. I actually forgot to show you guys the top part. So when you get your catch can, it's gonna come with hose, but it's gonna be like a really cheap hose. And I didn't feel comfortable using it, so I just tossed it and went to AutoZone and just got some fuel line. I think it was 2 feet I got initially, and you can cut it down if you want to. But when you get this, it comes with a whole baggie of little threaded nipples, and you want to put them one in the outside. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then there's again side right there. Before you put the threaded nipples on there, you're going to want to use what is it called? What's it? Plumbing tape? Pipe tape? I can't remember what it's called. The little white stuff you put around just to kind of form a better seal. And then you want to put the fuel line on the inside right there. And it comes with a little dipstick. I haven't had it get filled anywhere where it even touches that. But there has been stuff on there. I check it every oil change I do. So, but anyway, so this goes actually right in there. Hopefully this shows up. So you're just going to put that back in there with the steel wool, or not steel wool, but the copper wool. Just thread it in there. And that's it. And with the dipstick in there, you can kind of get it in there somewhere. Put it on the side. There you go. And for mine, a lot of people put them on their car and make brackets and stuff for it. But on the bottom, I actually went to Dollar Tree and got like the little pads you put on the bottom of your like chairs, because there's a perfect spot in the car, like right next to the washer fluid, where this can kind of sit in there, and it just sits perfectly. So I'm gonna grab my other what's this thing called? I can't remember how this crap is called. Hose clamp. Grab another hose clamp. You can use the 2 hose clamps that are on the car now, or you'll actually need. No, you still need the 2. So you can use those 2, and you need 2 more hose clamps. So let's take this outside and actually install it. Alright, so this is the spot right here where you're going to put your catch can, or at least this is where I'm going to put mine, and I'll just show you. It just kind of goes right in there. And you can put some more of those little pads around so it doesn't rub or anything, but I haven't heard or noticed anything when I'm driving. So yeah, that's where it's gonna go. And to install this, first thing is you're gonna take this cover off. And then, so usually you'll get like some pliers or something to take this off. Your stock ones are clamp style, like that one down here. It's kind of hard to see, but that's a clamp. So you're gonna take this one off. I'm gonna loosen that up. I'm just gonna put that up under there. Okay, that's the first thing. Alright, then you're going to take your catch can. You're going to put your the hose going from the end right here, and then this end is going to go right there to the out. And just like that, you might have to adjust it and twist it to get it right. Oops. So we're going to put that down in the little corner. And I'm going to put my hose clamp back on there. And you don't want to tighten this up too much because that is plastic. Alright, so once everything is on, so right here, this is going to go from this is technically out, and then you're going to go to the inside. This is what it looks like. So that's in, it's going to go through everything, condense, hopefully fall to the bottom, and then the clean-ish air is going to come back, go out, and go back in. So yeah, pretty simple. And then you just put everything back, and that's it. I almost forgot, you can zip tie this, which is what I'm about to do. You zip tie it right here, so it'll stay in place a little better over here, because that's not going anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab a zip tie, put that on there. And I'll put this back on here and see, make sure it fits. And there you go. So that's what it looks like right there. And you could even maybe zip tie that if you really wanted to, but I'm gonna leave it like that. Alright, that's gonna do it for me in this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. If you like the video, you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.